When you install League of Legends, sometimes you might get stuck on the tutorial patching screen. The patching button might appear grayed out, and it looks like nothing is happening. This isn't actually an error. The game is still downloading in the background. You can check this using Task Manager. Click on the network column header to sort the list by the highest usage. The process showing active network usage is the real patch. The patch size is about 20 gigabytes. This is a large update, so it can take a while, especially if you have a slow internet connection. You'll need to wait for it to finish. There's no way to speed up the download process itself because it depends on your internet speed. However, you can try resetting your internet modem. This can refresh your internet connection. If you're lucky, you might see that your internet speed is much faster now. As you can see on this computer, the internet speed is more than 50 times faster. This means the patching will finish much more quickly. The patching button has now disappeared, and we can start the game as usual. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next videos.